Hi, Mary Beth. Hi. Um, I'm sorry. I'm a little hoarse. I'm a little snuffy. When my box came, I was just setting into a hideous allergy attack. So just now, 5 days later, feeling like I can talk to you. Um, this is what I did with my candle. Unfortunately, the jar broke in transit, but that was okay because this came out really sweet. It says salt on it. I had it in my cupboard, and I put the candle in here with my potpourri, little dried potpourri on top, and a little piece of selenite. Yeah, just a little stick sitting there just for interest. So I wanted to thank you for that. This candle's beautiful. It's lavender, jasmine, and bergamot, which are my favorites. Spirit got it right on point, I'm telling you. So let me proceed to the box. I did already open it before I got your email. What did you want us to do? By unboxing. But we did get a little personal note here. A little personal note from Mary Beth. Thank you very much. It was very sweet. And I've got, there's all my instruction sheets here, everything, what all this means, or most of it. We'll talk about that in a minute. And right on top was a mandala coloring book, which is really cool. I love mandalas, and I have a very good friend, and she paints mandalas, and they're very, very intricate and very beautiful, and I just love this coloring book. So thank you, and I am artistic, so that's helpful. And then I got a self-care journal, a little self-care journal here. It's so beautiful. The pages have all the watercolors on them and instructions on what to do and to keep track of everything I've done nice for myself. Very nicely done. I love that. And then I had a smudging bundle and a stick of Palo Santo. I love that. I love both of those as well. And they actually came with all in this little shell here with all these beautiful stones, some of which I know. I'm in a crystal group, and so some of the stones I'm familiar with, and some of them we'll either have to talk about or we'll have to, I'll have to research them, or through process of elimination, clearly it's quartz. I mean, give me a break. And that's probably rose quartz. And then the palm stone is in here, the orange or peach. Was it calcite? I'll have to look again, but anyway. So, and a smoky quartz. The beautiful stones and a lovely shell for smudging, suitable for smudging purposes or holding other stones. So I'm very grateful to have that. A very beautiful selection. Nice, nice, nice. And then I got 2 feathers, and these are my cat Lily's favorite. Every time I put the box down, I would find a feather elsewhere. She would very stealthily come up and steal a little feather. I don't think she's ever seen a bird in person, but clearly it's hardwired. But I've got these beautiful, and they're suitable also for smudging or for decorative purposes. And then I have this nice spray. It's called Goddess Custom Spray. And I couldn't smell it when I sprayed it the other day because I was so snuffy. Let me see what I make of it now. Oh, that is so nice. The first thing I got was citrus, but there's something earthy in there too, or grassy. I'm going to have to really pick that apart. And I got my little egg. I thought it was a stress reliever egg, but Mary Beth said it was a makeup applicator. It could be anything it wants to be as long as the cats don't get it. So I will take good care of that there. And then I got a little Good Vibes Only, a little star I think it's a bracelet maybe, a little star on a cord with the little verse there, what to do. So when a bracelet breaks in two, the wish you made will soon come true. So I'm gonna try that out. Oh, here's another Palo Santo. And a little itty bitty tiny book of crystals. Is that cute or what? Maybe I can consult this for some help with identifying my crystals. But those are beautiful. Thank you so much for that. And what else did I get? Oh, yes, I got these. I got 3 of these. They're tea cones. Very nice. 2 white tea, 1 green tea. Very good. Can't wait to try those too. I didn't want to waste it when I was all snuffy. So now that I can taste again. Oh, and this came in the little bag. Look, it's a necklace, but it's so beautiful. I like to see it. I'm not sure what the stones are. First I thought it was aventurine because I thought it was green, but then maybe it's not green, maybe it's blue. I don't know. But it's just a really nice little necklace. And it was so comfortable, I actually slept in it the other night, and I never sleep in necklaces because I feel like they're gonna strangle me, but I love it. Okay, and this is the little box, the beautiful little box that my shells came in, for my shell. So I got 2 little baggies. Oh, okay, and then I had got the, let me see, Goddess Calming Bath Salts. Yes, this goddess needs to be calmed. And here's Goddess Self-Love Bath Salts. Yes, I'm good at that. And Goddess Awakening Bath Salts. So look at, aren't they beautiful? I just want to put those in the bathroom, and I wish I had a little something to stand them all up in. They're so beautiful. I'll have to look for that. So we got 3 bath salts, which is kind of funny because we had a little conversation beforehand. I said, hey, don't worry if you know, don't bother with the bath salts. I don't take baths. But I got the instruction from Mary Beth's team that, well, if Spirit wants me to have them, I'm going to get them, and I can put them in a foot bath, so I will. But thank you so much. I was trying to save the bath salts for somebody else that really was hankering for them, but I'm sure I will love them. And this is a little bag. Good vibes. And it's got my pencils in. Remember in the beginning I showed you the coloring book? I also got coloring pencils, so isn't this perfect? This is just awesome. Just perfect. Really lifted my spirits when I wasn't feeling well beginning of the week. And now going through it again, I feel even better. So I got a lot of nice fill. Of course, I'll recycle that. I'll put that in gifts. And I also got this beautiful little keychain. It's got a little wing on it, an angel wing, and another really pretty stone, and a little green stone, and not quite sure what that is, maybe a jasper, but it's very pretty. So I like that. Just a little remembrance of Mary Beth wherever I go, and Spirit. So that's it, guys. That's what I got. That was my haul. So anyway, sorry about that. I'm not dressed. I still kind of feel like, but anyway, nice to see you, nice to connect, and thank you for asking me to do this. I'm very happy to share. All right, have a good weekend. Bye.